Alright everyone, in the previous video we defined randomly moan or chase for the monster in such a way that there's a small chance that he will stop and moan. And in this video I want to define what it is to moan. So basically the idea is going to be that he raises his arms, so there's a little bit of a graphical change, and he just makes a moaning noise. So let's make the moaning noise. So we go to sounds, and so here's the bat noises here. They're not really worth keeping. And we're gonna go to record. Now, the thing is that I want the growl to be really deep, and the only way to make the growl deeper and deeper and deeper in Scratch is to make it slower. And the problem is it's going to take longer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record a growl, but I'm going to make it really fast, almost like a bark, like a rrr. And then I'm going to slow that down, and it's going to make it deeper and hopefully really scary. So here goes. Rrr. Alright, and then we'll just kind of like cut that. Okay. Now make it slower. I'm not sure I like the way that came out. Let me just try doing it again. Okay. Hopefully there's a bit more texture to this one. Right, let's see how that goes. I don't like that break. Oh, I like that one. A bit too much of a tail, I think. Okay. So we'll get rid of the first one. And call this growl. Okay, then go back to code. And so now, when the monster moans, we want him to make the growl sound. Now I have a choice here. I can either play the sound growl until done, or play the sound growl, just start the sound growl. The difference is that starting the sound growl will allow other things to happen at the same time. But I can use play the sound growl until done as a way of making sure that this lasts a little while, so that he pauses for a little while and gives the wizard a chance to get away from him. And now I just need a graphical change. So I'm going to go to looks and switch costume. I'm going to put a switch costume before, and then a switch costume after. And the switch costume after is just to switch back to the normal monster walk. And then beforehand, I want him to raise his arms. So we've got the graphics for that somewhere. I think it's this one. So yeah, this is 3 monster attack. So we go here and switch this to 3 monster attack. Okay, let's have a look at that, see how it looks.
Yum yum.
I think he's doing it too often. So I'm going to just slow that down quite a bit. The way to kind of reduce the number of times that he's doing it is to change this number here to something big. So this will say pick a random number from 1 to 20. And then if it's less than 20, then he'll chase. But if it's 20, then he'll moan. So that just gives us a 1 in 20 chance that he will actually moan, so he won't moan too often. Alright, and that's about all I wanted to do in this video, so I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.